How to fix RedNote app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix RedNote app not working. If you are experiencing issues with RedNote app not working, then here are several steps you can follow to resolve these common problems. First of all, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. You may also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves your problem. If your internet connection or data is working fine and you are still facing the issue, then you can go and clear app cache. For that, you can swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel, and then at the top right, you'll be able to locate the gear icon. Simply tap on it, and in the settings page here, you will need to scroll to find the application option. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it. And now from the list, you will need to locate the RedNote app. Once you locate the RedNote application, simply tap on it to open it. And again inside here, look for the storage option. Scroll to find the storage, and once you find it, tap on it to open it. And finally, in this page, you'll be able to locate the clear cache option. Simply tap on the clear cache option at the bottom right in order to clear the app cache. Once after doing that, check if the issue still persists. You'll also need to ensure that you are using the latest version of RedNote. To check that, you may open the Google Play Store of your device, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and then in the search bar, search for RedNote. Once you type in, tap on the search icon of your keyboard to search for it. And once you get the authentic RedNote application, here tap on the app icon to open, and inside it, here find the update option. If you didn't find the update option, that means you have already updated your application. And if you find the update button here, go ahead and tap on it and wait until the app gets updated. After that, you can go and check if that solves your problem. And if the update button is not available and you are still facing this issue, then you may uninstall and reinstall the application. From this page, simply tap on this uninstall button right here and tap on uninstall once again to confirm it. And once the application gets successfully installed, now simply tap on install button to reinstall the application. Now once it gets installed on your device, you can go and enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Also, sometimes server issues can cause problems within the app functionality. You will need to check online forums or social media for any announcement regarding this server outage. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to RedNote application not working. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.